Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Yeah, that's me. And what I'd like to do is talk to you about auto-stitching photos to create panoramas using what? Using, where'd it go? Autostitch.exe. Can't see it. Let's see if I can zoom in. No, zoom doesn't work in Windows Explorer. So let's take a look at it. Autostitch.exe. I've got some photos here. I'm going to use my panorama of the teacher lounge. Control A. I'll add Picasa in here. Unfortunately, Picasa doesn't have a stitching program, which is hard to believe. Picasa. Using Picasa, though it has no stitching tool. Okay, so, and using Picasa, there it is. So we go and we'll grab up all of our photos, Control A, Control Shift S to export to folder. We'll go ahead and Pano of Teacher Lounge, click OK, and there is the Pano of Teacher Lounge. You can see that some of the photos are duped, that's fine. So now we're going to the auto stitch, click on that, and it starts up, File, Open, and we go to the desktop, Pano of Teacher Lounge, and what I'll do is all these photos open. Now it's going to stitch, well, we'll see what it does. I've got some duplicates in there, and I can show you what I mean. You can see all the, this is a duplicate of that, and they're all the same size. And this is the document that originally created, but I won't show you that just yet. I wonder what this pano.txt is. Oh, it creates a directory of the coordinates. How interesting. Never seen that, haven't looked at it, but it could be very interesting to see how this program actually works. There it is, rendering block 1 of 1. Still busy chunking away at it. Shouldn't take too long. We'll show you the results here momentarily. Okay, so it's finished, and you can see the photo has been stitched together. Let's compare it to what we started with. And you can see that it did fairly well in those first 3, but it lost it here. As soon as it hit this area, it stopped working. I imagine because it's the lighting. As soon as that light hit weird, it failed. But it picked it up again over here. Why? I'm not quite sure. And it might actually load them in only one direction. See, if it had loaded from the other direction, it would have picked up this line and run around and picked up that. You can see I tried to overlap the photos on each pass. So it looks like it only renders one in one direction. So let's give that a shot. Let me see if I can render these and see if it gives the different results. We'll call this 1, Teacher Lounge 1. Click OK. There's the Pano Teacher Lounge 1. Let's go back to our auto-stitch program. Sometimes it crashes on me. It's crashed on me before. Let's see if it's going to do it again. I can close that. There it is. File, Open. Go up one directory, Pano Teacher Lounge, and Control A to select. Click Open. Loading image 2 of 12. Now, again, what I selected was these photos, and it should give us a different result. Sometimes it fails, but we'll see if it does any better this time. It looks like it's trying. Interesting. Okay, we got more on the second one than we did on the first. So, let's see if we can render just these. I'll export just those 7. You can see down here Control S, Teacher Lounge 2. Click OK. And you can see that this is not a perfect program, but it's free. Autostitch.exe. File open anytime now, I hope. Let's close this. File open, and we'll go up one directory, Pano Lounge 2. Control A to select all, open, and loading image 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It'll load here momentarily. And we are blending. Oh, well, now that's interesting. The panorama clearly didn't work on this one. So, these images, which I basically did a 270 degree turn, produced this. So, you can see right here is the edge. It totally ignored, it looks like it totally ignored the chairs in these images. So, anyway, there's the test. Thank you for watching. This has been a demonstration of auto-stitching photos to create panoramas using Picasa. Happy computing, and until next time.